In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step on how to download, install, and how to log in successful to Amazon Hub without any stress. So follow me. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an procurement agent, importer, and an importation coach. If you want to contact me for importation business, you want me to procure a link on 1688 Tauba on Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, you can contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how to download, install, and successfully access your Amazon shopping hub. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is to head over to my Google Chrome right here. So I'm going to click on here to my Google Chrome. Then having get to my Google Chrome, next thing I'm going to do is to create a new tab. Then I'm going to make use of search engine right here. I'm going to type in Amazon. All right, so it takes me to this page. So next thing I'm going to do is to click on download Amazon app. So for you to get a Amazon app, so you have two versions. So the first version here is for people that use iPhone. The second version here is for people that use Android. So as for me, I'm going to download the Android version. So I'm going to click on here. Then it takes you to your Play Store. Next thing you want to do is to click on install. So after a successful download, next thing you want to do is to click on open right here. So at this point here, you have to click on here to choose your country. Click on allow. So right here, there are different country Amazon, such as Australia, Belgium, Canada Amazon, Egypt Amazon, etc. But as for me, I'm going to choose US Amazon. All right, so when you choose your region, then you have to click on done right here. So it takes you right here. So if you are already a customer, so you just need to click on here to sign in. All right. But if you are not a customer, what you need to do is to make sure you click on create an account or skip signing. So whichever way. So, but if you skip signing, this simply means that you will not be able to make a purchase and do stuff like that. But if you are a registered customer, just click on sign in. So I'm going to click on here to sign in straight up. At this point here, you need to enter your email address. Having entered your email address, next thing you need to do is to click on continue. Then enter your login password. Then click on sign in. Boom. So you will be taken in straight up into the app. All right. So once you are able to sign in successful to the app, then you can click on here to visit your profile. So your profile information right here, you have your order right here, you have your account, your list, and you're buying again. Then return to home page. From this point right here, you can also scroll down and you see more information about your account. Okay, now you can also click on here to access your cart, that is the product you have added into your cart. If you have any product in cart, so it's going to be found right here. So by default, so these are just customer support information. Then you can easily go back home, click on this home icon, then it takes you back to your home page. So from the top right here, you are going to have your delivery country at the top. Then there are two ways to search for products on Amazon. You can either make use of this action right here to type search, or use this icon right here to image search, or you use this microphone right here to voice chat. So these are different ways to search for products. You can also scroll down and see more products on this particular app right here. There are a bunch of things you can shop using this particular app. So this is Amazon USA. So everything depends on the Amazon category you select. So you just have to follow the same procedure and start to make your shopping without any stress. So this is how you can download, install, and access your Amazon shopping app. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big thumb up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about importation business. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, or you want me to procure a link on 1688 Salva or Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your supplier in China, kindly contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.